Wake me in the morning with your lovely singing. Wake me in the morning while I am a-yawning. Bird life, bird life, bird life, boo. Lay an egg, out comes more. Legs, eggs make birds like factory floor. Bird life, birds by the dozen. Eggs come in a basket, no one needs to know. Birds lay the eggs fast, out pop bird 1, 2. Bird life, baby birds are sweet. But don't forget that the birds must eat. Feed the bird life, feed the little buggers, feed the bird life, before they're all dead buggers. That's what we have to do. If you want to be woken by a cuckoo, a cockatoo, or a cock-a-doodle-doo, it's called bird life, magnificent and feathered. It's called bird life. They all fly down from heaven to see you in bird life. Bird life will bless you with their wings, and they will peck and they will eye every shiny little thing if they're a magpie. Because magpies steal. Magpies like the gold. They like things that are blue and shiny, nothing that's too old. The magpies are the big gannets. They love to fly and chip around like little naughty scoundrels as they scour on the ground, just like all bird life, looking for fun and treats. Bird life, looking for shiny sweets. Bird life, the wings they are flapping. Bird life, don't let them land on your head because they'll be crapping. Bird life, friendly as can be. Don't ever shoo them away unless you're a horror. Bird lives don't like horror. They only like the goodness. I don't want to hear you saying anything about my buds. You be good to the birds, or you're punished with this.